In this segment, you'll learn how to develop a speech introduction and how to craft a speech conclusion. The introduction and conclusion provide the first and final impressions of your presentation. A strong opening makes up 10 to 20% of your speech, a strong closing 5 to 10%. Both can enhance your credibility and boost your confidence. First, we'll cover parts of an introduction, including an attention grabber, topic revelation or introduction, speaker credibility, the reason to listen, and preview statement. To start, you can grab the attention of your audience by asking a rhetorical question, telling a story, arousing curiosity, startling the audience, relating to your audience, or beginning with a quotation. Here's an example of an attention-grabbing opening. Next, you can introduce your topic in a conversational way. Don't leave your audience hanging for too long, otherwise you'll quickly lose their interest or cause confusion. Third, establish that you are qualified to speak on your topic by mentioning your experience as well as your research. Then, show how your topic is important or relevant to your particular audience. Help them see or apply what you're saying to their situation. You can use many of the same techniques in the attention grabber. Finally, provide a preview of the main points you plan to cover and in the order that you plan to cover them. Here's an example of a preview statement. Conclusions have 3 distinct components: to signal the end, recap main points, and present a closing line. First, let the audience know you're wrapping things up with phrases such as in conclusion, in closing, and to recap. Don't mislead audiences with a false close, where you imply you're concluding multiple times and then keep talking. After initiating the conclusion, remind your audience of the major points of your speech. Don't repeat verbatim what you said in your introduction's preview statement. To leave a lasting impression, include a clever, meaningful line as the final words of your speech. Similar to an attention grabber, you can end the speech by finishing a story you started in the introduction, using a quote, making a dramatic statement, or asking a final question for the audience to contemplate. To recap, your introduction and conclusion will form first and lasting impressions with your audience. Remember to develop them thoroughly, but avoid being long-winded. If you take the time to practice, you'll glide smoothly into your speech and leave your audience wanting more.